Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. How are you, grade 4? How are you, girls, today? Today, inshallah, we'll start in unit 6. It's talking about the sound. And the first point today, what is the sound? Sound is something, anything that you can hear. Anything that you can hear is called what? Sound. As what? As talking, clapping, whistling, cars sound, radios sound, and the TVs, anything make sound. How does the sound happen? Sound only happen if something vibrates. What is the meaning of vibrates? Shakes, moves like this. So this is called what? Vibration. If anything vibrate, the sound happen, and we can hear sound. To understand the vibration of the sound, let's do the following experiments. This is the following experiment, ruler vibration experiment. And I guess that all of you do this experiment before. You bring a ruler, hold a ruler on the edge of your desk, put your hand here, hold the ruler on the edge of your desk with one hand. With the other hand, pull the end of the ruler down and let it go. Okay? I guess that all of you do this experiment before. Hold a ruler on the edge of your desk with one hand, and with the other hand, pull the end of the ruler down and let it go. What will happen? The ruler started to move. What, you girls? The loose end or the free end started to move up and down. This is called the vibrations. So observation means what? What will you see? After doing these steps, what will you see? This is what will you see. Try it at your home. Put your hand and let the other end of the ruler, let it go. It will move up and down like this. This is called what? Vibration of the ruler. So the observation here, the loose or the free end of the ruler vibrates and makes a sound. When it vibrates, it makes a sound, so we can hear it. When the ruler stops vibrating, what happened? The sound stopped. When the ruler stops vibrating, stop moving up and down, the sound stops. So what is your conclusion? What you understand from this experiment? Vibration of the ruler vibrates the air around us. What is the meaning of this? When you move, when you let the end of the ruler, let it go, it starts to vibrate, to move up and down. When it moves up and down, it moves the air around it. It vibrates the air around it. Vibrates the air around it. These vibrations in the air, we can't see them. We can't see this vibration, but they reach to our ears, so we can hear the sound of the ruler. Again, when you let the free end of the ruler to move up and down, it started to move up and down and vibrate. If it vibrates, it will vibrate the air around it. The vibration of the air, we can't see it, but it reaches to our ears, so we can hear the sound of the ruler. So vibration of the ruler vibrates the air around us. So these vibrations finally reach to our ears, so we can hear. Note, we can see the ruler vibrating up and down, but can we see the vibrating of the air particles? No, we can't see the vibrating of the air particles. Okay, girls, understand this? So when the ruler move up and down, it vibrates and vibrate the air or move the air around it. The moving of the air particles reach to our ears, so we can hear the sound of the ruler vibration. Here the second experiment. We want a drum, this is drum, and some rice, and a drumstick. This is called what? Drumstick, this one, you know it. We started to put some rice on the drum surface and hit the drum surface with the drumstick. Hit it. What will happen to the rice? The rice will be in its place? No. the rice started to jump up and down. When the rice jump up and down, it vibrates the air around it. And these vibrations reach to our ears, so we can hear the jumping of the rice on the drum. Understand this, you girls, like the roller. So when we hit the drum with the drumstick, the rice started to jump up and down and vibrate the air particles around it. These vibrations, we can't see them. The vibrations of the air particles, we can't see them with our eyes, but they go to our ears. They go to our ears, so we can hear this sound. We can hear the vibration or the moving of the rice on the drum. So here, put some rice on the drum, hit the drum with the drumstick. What will happen? What will you see? The rice jumps on the surface of the drum. When the drum surface stop vibrating, like the ruler, when the ruler stop vibrating, the rice stop jumping and the ruler stop make any vibrations or any sound. What is the conclusion here? The vibration from the drumstick, this is called the drumstick, vibration of it goes into the drum. When you hit it, the vibration of the drumstick goes to what? Into the drum. And then into the rice. So the rice started to what? To jump. The vibrations of the rice finally reach or go through the air to our ears, so we can hear their sound. Another example. Over here, can you see this note like the ruler? We can see the rice vibrating up and down, the dancing of the rice up and down, the jumping of the rice up and down. But can you see the air vibrating? No, we can't see the air vibrating, but the vibrations of the air reach to our ears, so we can hear the sound. Another experiment, the tuning fork experiment. This is called what, you girls? Tuning fork. Tap the tuning fork on any hard thing as a table. Hold it and tap it. Hit it with any hard surface, like a table. Put it on the rim. What is the meaning of rim? Edge of a container of water, like this. Put it on the edge of water. Don't touch the water. Don't touch it. Just put it on the edge of the container, of the cup. Put it on the edge of the cup of water. What will you see? When we tap the tuning fork, when we hit it on a hard surface like a table, it vibrates like this. The tuning fork, it will vibrate like this and make sound. We can hear it. Why? Because when it vibrates the air particles around it. So these vibrations move through the air and reach to our ears, so we can hear it. When we put the vibrating tuning fork, when we take this vibrating tuning fork and to put it on the rim or the edge of any container of water, we see waves on the surface of water, like this. We see small waves. Why? Because the vibrations of the tuning fork reach to the water surface and move the particles of the water surface. So we can see the waves of the water surface. The same thing happened to the air particles. The tuning fork vibrations vibrate what? The air particles. So these vibrations move to reach to our ears to hear it. So conclusion here, the tuning fork vibrates, and this vibrates the air around it until reach our ears, so we can hear its sound. The sound vibration of the tuning fork move through the water also and makes the waves. And I said that the same thing happens to the air. We can see the waves or the moving of the water surface, but we can't see the vibrating air particles. We can only feel it. We can hear the sound finally. This means that there were vibration in what girls? In the air particles. There was vibrating particles in the air because of the vibration of the tuning fork. Here an example of vibrations. Why do we hear the guitar sound? This is the guitar, and here someone plays a guitar and move the strings of the guitar. This is called what? These lines called strings of the guitar. When he play the guitar and move the strings, what will happen? They will vibrate and vibrate the air around the guitar. And these vibrations, can you see them? Reach to our ears, so we can hear the sound of the guitar. So when someone plays the guitar, the strings of the guitar vibrate, so the air around them vibrates until reach our ears. Here we have activity to make a guitar like the video on Coursera. Watch the video and try to make the guitar if you want. So what is the main point of our lesson today? When something vibrates, anything, it makes the air or surrounding materials vibrate too. The vibration moves across the air or material until it reaches the air, so we can hear that sound. So if any something vibrates, it makes the air particles vibrate. These vibrating things or these vibrating particles move across the air till reach to our ears, so we can hear the sounds. Okay, girls, the homework: study the sheet well and answer student book page 114, and please watch all videos on Coursera. Try to make a guitar if you want, if you can. I hope that. And tell me, do you love science? Okay, finally here we have fun time, math with science. We will to color this part, answer the problems here, and color them according to the key here in the bottom. Thank you, grade 4. If you can't understand any point, please send me a message. Bye bye.